Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need windshield repair, a new paint job, or touch-up, to order new parts, when you bring your vehicle to Allen GMC, you're sure to receive prompt and courteous service from a GMC certified staff dedicated to quality for our customers. We strive to get all of your maintenance and repairs done right the first time. Visit us at www.allengmc.com. While you're there, get information about our complimentary loaner service. Take advantage of our internet specials and start saving. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Allen GMC is located at 28332 Camino Capistrano in Laguna Niguel, California.